Hello everyone and welcome to another WIX tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create H1 and H2 headlines in WIX. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So, all you have to do really is to select any text. So let's say we're going to select this text here on WIX. And now we are going to go on the right hand side and under style, under design here, you're going to see heading 1. So this means that this text is marked as H1, heading 1. If you want, you can turn it to heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, paragraph, and so forth. So this is for existing text. So any text that you grab, so let's say we are going to grab this one right here, you can go on the right hand side under design, under style, and you can mark it, for example, as headline 2, headline 1, headline 3. So what if you want to insert new text? So let's say, for example, we're going to click the plus symbol here on the left hand side and we're going to insert a title or even a paragraph. It doesn't really matter. So you're going to insert some text. You're going to drop it anywhere you like. Again, same drill. You're going to select the text. Then you're going to go on the right hand side under design style. You're going to say this is a primary header, this is a secondary header, this is heading 3, this is paragraph 1, and so forth. Now, ideally, if you want to follow SEO best practices, you need to have a single headline that is marked as H1. And then from there, the most important subheader should be H2. And then the miscellaneous headers, for example, the ones you have in the footer, you can have them as H3, H4, and so forth. But bottom line is that it's extremely easy on WIX to create or mark text as primary header, secondary header. All you have to do is to really select the text. Then on the right hand side under design, you are going to change basically here under style your text to whatever headline or paragraph you want. And that's it. WIX editor has autosave, so you don't need to worry about that. And when you are done with your website, don't forget to publish and send the changes live. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.